Hello friends, how are you? Today I am going to teach you about how to connect MS Excel with SPSS. So first of all, we will open one Excel account. And we can make a blank workbook. Now here we can write any of the variables like academic achievement, and randomly we can add few numbers with respect to the academic achievement. So these are the variables and their numbers data I have received. Now we have to save this Excel file on, actually I am saving here on desktop. Okay, so here now I can rename the file book 2. I'm making this book 3, and the save as type will be, it will be Excel 97 2003 workbook. Now I am going to save this. Okay, now I will move to, or I have to first cancel out this Excel program, because if we are not going to close, this will not open in the SPSS. So I'm not going to open the SPSS. It is a bit slow. Okay, it is opening. Yes, so we will cancel this. We will go to file menu, then we will go to open, then we will go to data. Now we have saved our file on desktop, so we will find on desktop data 3. So we can see that here no file name with data 3 is present, because the files of type is SPSS SAAV, but we have saved in XLS file type. So we will change the file of type in XLS. Now I can see here, we can see here book 3 has appeared, book 3 XLS. Now we will do open and continue. In this way we can see that MS Excel gets attached with SPSS. Thank you.